Hello traders, welcome back to my channel The Option Sniper। तो आज देखते हैं मार्केट मूवमेंट कैसे किया है एंड कल कैसे मूवमेंट कर सकता है। सो जस्ट गेट राइट इनटू अ चार्ट्स एंड जस्ट लुक एट वी हैव गॉट व्हाट वी हैव एनालाइज्ड। तो चलिए लेट्स ओपन माय चार्ट्स एंड यस, तो ये रहा आज का चार्ट एंड टुडे वाज एक्सट्रीमली गुड। देखो, फर्स्ट लेट अस डिस्कस व्हाट आई सेड in the channel before. I apologize for not uploading the videos for 2 continuous days, and but I was providing the levels in the live market in my channel. So if you don't want to miss the live updates, then please join my channel and you'll get all of it. So yes, I had positions in Nifty. तो यहाँ पे actually I had a level। अगर आपको याद होगा, I had a level of 251 right over here, right? The first day this worked very beautifully, and okay, that was a fib level। तो फर्स्ट प्रेस टच पे अपन को बहुत अच्छा ट्रेड मिला था। बट yesterday what happened is that whenever market was coming in this specific zone, right, I was waiting for reversal signs, and when I go to the futures chart, I could see volumes which favored the reversal which was happening। Okay, तो यहाँ पे मेरे को when this down move was happening, this one, yes, specifically when this down move was happening, right, it was clear that this down move was not happening with volumes. Okay, and whenever we need a momentum, we need volumes to be increasing on the side we want to trade, and whenever this demand zone is getting approached, the sell volumes are just getting decreased। आई मीन बाय सेल वॉल्यूम्स का मतलब ये है कि जब भी मार्केट में सेलिंग हो रहा है, दिस डाउन ट्रेंड फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर और हियर टू हियर, the volumes are just kind of depleting। uh, Let me go to my charts and okay, it's simple to understand। See, अगर अपन इसको ये वाला देख लेते हैं, this specific part, what I mean to say is that the first volume candle will be like this, like this, like this, like this। So technically थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, but if you just see the trend, it is in decreasing trend, right? So whenever it was approaching the demand, I just saw this and I was confident about holding on to my positions। And if you know my if you have seen the message in my channel which I sent yesterday, that I am buying call options of Nifty, and I had 20 lots. I carried 20 lots yesterday, and see, I also told that if it opens gap down, there are very high chances that it will again reverse up। Why? Because we are very near to our demand zones in Nifty, right? So इसीलिए जैसे ही मेरे को यहाँ पे रिवर्सल साइंस दिख रहा था, आई वाज जस्ट टेकिंग लॉन्ग ट्रेड्स इन निफ्टी। आई डिडंट टेक दिस शॉर्ट ट्रेड्स, एंड हियर आई at the end I bought call options, 17,300 call options, and it was kind of, the price action was negative। Okay, and if you just look at the price action which Nifty made, excuse me, so if it opened right over here, it came down, it went up, it again went up and closed like this। So this is the price action of opening gap down, but this price action was being formed at a demand zone, right? So this might be to trick the people। ये तो clearly दिख रहा है सबको bearish है, then does market do what everyone thinks of? I guess no, right? So I bought calls, but just to be sure, okay, I देखो मार्केट में कुछ भी 100% श्योर नहीं होता, सो जस्ट टू बी श्योर व्हाट आई डिड इज आई बॉट call option 17,300. I bought it at around 43 rupees or 42, I don't remember exactly, 41 43 rupees पे मैं 17,300 के call options खरीदा था, and to hedge against it, okay, and I was pretty confident that even if it opens gap down, we'll get a very good move on the upside like this. This is a very good zone. If you just look at my previous videos, I told that uh, these why these zones are very confident buy for me. Okay, there was one a pretty big risk which was there, is that what if it opens right over here, because there was Fed meeting, and what if they just hike the interest rates? That would be very negative for the markets, right? So a 200 point gap down from 200 to boom 17,000. This gap down right below our demand zones would be very dangerous for our position. So what I did was I bought 17,000 puts, same quantity, 20 lots I bought, and this was trading at 18 or 20 rupees. Okay, so this call CE I bought at 41 to 43 rupees somewhere, and this I bought this. So I was like pretty much hedged. I was pretty confident, like I was more confident about the gap up opening, and so even if I lose these 20 points, I'll gain more than 20 points here. So overall, in net to net, I'll be in profit. And even if it gaps down, okay, and if it just gaps down below this, because this is a very huge zone to gap down. If it just gaps down below this, 17K puts will shoot up, and this will obviously give me more than 40 points. So the risk of 17,300 calls are covered. So this was my planning before the Fed meeting, so for the today's opening. So it went pretty well. On the opening itself, 17,000 puts just went down to some 2 rupees or 3 rupees, and 17,300 calls just shot up to 100 rupees. Okay, so I was 40 rupees. I was having a net gain of 40 points in the total position. So yeah, it's fine. So that was how I traded in Nifty, how I carried my positions. And see, in today's fall, if you just observe, this was where almost everyone was bearish, right? And I was not looking at Nifty. I was patiently looking for a jackpot call in Bank Nifty. But this was a very good buy, and I missed it. But I took a jackpot call in Bank Nifty inputs. I'll come to that. So this has not been touched, but yes, we can see the competition of buying, which was readily present over here. So tomorrow there are no fresh levels. We have already these levels on the chart. So this level 17,168, 144. This is a buy attempt which I will do. And if this wins, this almost get 22 points. 22, 24 points का है ना, मतलब options में it is, if it is at the money, it's 12 to 15 points. So that is very low risk, but the reward will be very high. Okay, so if my stop loss getting hit, then this is my sure shot buy zone. तो for buying, कल ये जोन मेरा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होगा, ठीक है. एंड सेलिंग के लिए यही एक जोन है 17,445 टू 473. This is one zone which I will attempt a sell, a put. I will go long in puts, and I will give you the targets in the live market. But if there's a selling which will come from here, you will easily get 100 points in spot. So that translates to 50 points in options. So you can take that confidence sell from here. And after this, if this zone gets broken, which I am not thinking that tomorrow this zone will be broken, but we can't say. And if this zone just gets broken, then there's a very, very, very beautiful sell zone right over here up from 535 to 574. तो ये जो जोन है यहाँ पे तो आप आराम से सेल कर लो. एंड ये जो 60 पॉइंट्स है ना, ये 60 पॉइंट्स और 445, 35 to ये, this 90 points you will get it very clean. Okay, that will be a crystal clear trade. So ये याद रख लो. एंड ये जोन तो है ही अपना 627 टू 682. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड सप्लाई एंड इतना ऊपर तो जाना नहीं कल निफ्टी को. ओके, तो अपन ये जोन के बारे में फिर से डिस्कस करेंगे. तो बैंक निफ्टी, चलिए आज बैंक निफ्टी देखते हैं कैसे गया है. एंड आई डेंट mention this zone in bank nifty, but yeah, this is the zone. And this was the zone which I have. It opened right over here and it gave a very beautiful sell, and this was, also there was a channel which bank nifty was making, and this was right on the top of its channel with its supply right over here. So this was a confident trade, and yeah, so actually I would have hold on to my nifty calls, but because there was no specific level over here, right? I had this. Okay, there was a good level of 73.88, which VK sir has mentioned. He's a very good trader from our group, and 388, and I can understand why that level was very important. So basically, I was just looking at where Bank Nifty opened, and Bank Nifty opened right at my supply zone. So if Bank Nifty will go down, it will just bring Nifty down with it, right? So yes, so this is where I exited my calls. So yep. So let's wrap up today's trades and देखते हैं कल कैसे ट्रेडिंग करना है अपन को. तो बैंक निफ्टी में आ जाते हैं पहले. तो बैंक निफ्टी देखो क्या दिख रहा है. दिस वाज अ वेरी गुड कंसोलिडेशन एंड अ ब्रेकआउट, एंड दिस वाज द सप्लाई, राइट. तो यहाँ पे देखो क्या हो रहा है. कैन यू सी अ पैटर्न विच इज बीइंग फॉर्म्ड ओवर हियर, दिस स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न. बूम 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 बूम. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है ध्यान दो जरा. देखो, in this time frame you can see that bank nifty went below this zone. Okay, this was the low of the left leg of w. Okay, um, this specific level. Okay, so it went down, but you see where it closed. It closed right above this zone. So this is a very, very, very good trade for longs. Okay, so in fact, I have this is the price action which I was looking for, and this gave me one confident reason to take a call BTSC tomorrow. So I have a lot of 36600 CE. So I've even mentioned in the channel. So this was one position. This was one reason why I took the trade, and the other reason was जो अगला रीज़न है वो है भाई ये वाला. तो ये एक लेवल था. ओके, ये जो जोन है, ये जोन मैं कब से बोल रहा हूँ कि दिस स्पेसिफिक जोन इज वेरी गुड जोन. एंड यू कैन सी ऑन दैट डे जब ये फ्रेशली टच हुआ ना, दिस वाज अ वेरी 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 ब्यूटीफुल बाई ट्रेड. देखो यहाँ पे राइट ओवर हियर, this was a fresh touch, right? So if you see whatever activity which has happened over here, this is in these two candles and some from this candle. But as I say that the time frame is very important and the price action which is being formed in the time frame is very important. So this was the zone 602, which was somewhere over here if I'm not wrong, and 511 यहाँ पे कहीं है, इसके नीचे है. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, नीचे आया, boom, next candle up. So was bank nifty, like it never sustained over here, right? Boom boom, ऊपर, नीचे आया, ऊपर चला गया. So this was a very confident trade. So 15 minutes time frame में this was looking very good, and even I mentioned about observing 15 minutes time frame price action. If we just go through my messages, I told that when this happened, here it was a very good trade. Somewhere over here I gave 36,500 put, which was trading at around 20 to 30 rupees, and I gave it as a hero zero trade, and it hit a high of 110 rupees on this fall, and that was a very fantastic trade. So see what happened. There was this level which I was mentioning again and again in the group, 36,511. See, this is one level which Bank Nifty has to break and sustain. So yes, it broke over here, and you can again take these points. So I was already from somewhere right over here. So I wrote this full. In fact, I didn't write this fully. I just exited somewhere over here because I bought it somewhere at 28 rupees something, and it went to 83. So that was a very good trade. So I just exited my positions over here, and I just observed the market then on. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे मैं मैसेज किया कि 15 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व। तो देखो 511 का जो लेवल है ना, यहाँ पे देखो क्या हुआ। इफ यू जस्ट मार्क दिस लेवल ऑफ 511 ऑन दिस चार्ट, तो देखो 511, ओके, सिमिलर पैटर्न यू कैन सी। बैंक निफ्टी वेंट डाउन, बूम, फिर से ऊपर आ गया, नेवर वेंट बिलो दिस, लाइक इट नेवर ट्रेडेड। अपन को तो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे नीचे गया है, बट इट्स लाइक इट वेंट डाउन, इट केम अप। सो you know technically the level has been saved beautifully by the bulls. Okay, so that's why somewhere over here I said that, I even sent this screenshot of this candlestick pattern, and explained in the channel, and this is another reason for me to take CEBTST for tomorrow, and this was one reason, and this was also one reason which I told about, right? यहाँ पे ये वाला दिस डब्ल्यू पैटर्न, बूम बूम। अगर ये डब्ल्यू पैटर्न ऐसे बनता ना, तो आई वुडेंट हैव, अगर ये यहाँ ऐसे बनता तो मेरा शायद कॉन्फिडेंस उतना नहीं होता, बट ये दिस हैज मेड अ वेरी गुड पैटर्न, उससे भी अच्छा पैटर्न बनाया है ये। नीचे आया, ऊपर गया, इट वेंट बिलो दिस, दिस लेफ्ट, इसके नीचे गया, बट वहां पे एक विक छोड़ के ऊपर आ गया, यहाँ पे क्लोज हो गया। Okay, so this is a very good pattern, and these are my targets for Bank Nifty. Okay, and if it opens flat, if it opens gap up, whatever it is, I am ready to play on the long side tomorrow. I won't play on the short side tomorrow. If I get any levels, for example, अगर मेरे को नीचे के कोई ट्रेड्स मिलता है, I'll try to not trade tomorrow. So ठीक है, ये तो अल्टीमेट टारगेट होगा अपना। बिफोर दैट देर आर सम स्कैल्प्स विच यू कैन टेक। देखो, ऑप्शन बाइंग में ना आपको मोमेंटम चाहिए, राइट? सो अगर आपको फ्यूचर बाई करना है, यू कैन बाई, एंड यू कैन जस्ट केयर अबाउट डायरेक्शन। अगर आपको डायरेक्शन सही है, everything is fine, but in option buying you need momentum. So if you are making long positions over here, if Bank Nifty is opening flat or slightly gap up, okay, it might immediately fill the gap and just run up again. So this is the zone of a put scalp trade which you can take 36, 838, 861। यहाँ पे एक बार अगर आप यहाँ से कॉल्स ले रहे हो ना, दिस इज अ क्लीन 300 पॉइंट मूव, राइट? तो जस्ट बुक योर कॉल्स ओवर हियर, एंड यू कैन टेक अ गुड पुट स्कैल्प फ्रॉम दिस जोन। ओके, दिस स्पेसिफिक जोन, ये ऊपर वाला को भूल जाओ अभी। ये जो जोन दिख रहा है ना, यहाँ पे एक पुट स्कैल्प ले लो, एंड यहाँ से आपको मिलेगा एक अच्छा स्कैल्पिंग। एंड ऊपर वाला तो देखते हैं, अगर ये टूटता है तो लाइव मार्केट में अपडेट एट विच स्पेसिफिक जोन, यहीं पे एंटर करना है या थोड़ा ऊपर एंटर करना है। तो दिस विल बी द लेवल फॉर टुमारो, एंड सी इफ ऐसा हुआ ना कि यहाँ पे जाता है बैंक निफ्टी, इट विल गिव अ रिएक्शन ओवर हियर। ऐसे गया, ऐसे गया। देखो, यू हैव टू सी बेयरिश प्राइस एक्शन। अगर यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन बनाएगा एंड इफ दैट ट्रेंड लाइन इज ब्रोकन, यू कैन अगेन टेक अप, यू नो, यू कैन अगेन गो लॉन्ग इनपुट्स। बट इफ ये ऐसे नहीं जाके ये सीधा एक ग्रीन कैंडल बना के ऐसे खड़ा हो गया ना, लाइक दिस, a single green candlestick, then the ultimate target which you should play for is first this. Okay, यहाँ पे the first supply which we spoke about, यहाँ पे सीधा यहाँ तक ले लो। देखो, this is clean another 200 point move, right? So यहाँ पे आप ले सकते हो 250 पॉइंट मूव्स आराम से, एंड अल्टीमेट टारगेट तो ये है अपना, इस जोन जो दिख रहा है 426 to 490। यहाँ पे तो ब्लाइंड सेल है भाई, यहाँ पे आराम से ब्लाइंड सेल लेना। And if you're long in futures, then just hold it out. You will get this target. As I am an option buyer, I would just look for momentum trades, and this will be my trading plan for tomorrow and the coming sessions. This all level will hold. देखो, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये लेवल कल होल्ड करेगा या अगला बार होल्ड, 2 दिन होल्ड करेगा। these levels are there until they are tested. Okay, just mark these levels on your chart, and जब तक इसका काम खत्म नहीं होता ना, ये कल आए, परसों आए या उसके बाद आए, तब तक ये लेवल्स काम करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। होप you liked my analysis, and if you liked it, show your support by liking the video and subscribing, and share it with your friends, your brothers, your sisters. Hope it might bring some difference, and thank you so much. Jai Hind.